welcome to Learning Skills. In this video, I am going to tell you about the nucleus. Atoms are extremely small with a radius of about 1 × 10 to 10 meters. The central nucleus contains protons and neutrons only, which are packed close together in a small region of space. The radius of the nucleus is about 10,000 times smaller than that of the atom, so it is an extremely small region of space compared to the overall size of the atom. This means that rather than being evenly spread out throughout the atom, virtually all of the atom's mass is concentrated inside the nucleus. Electrons have a much smaller mass than protons and neutrons. One proton has the same mass of around 1840 electrons, and move in the space outside the nucleus in orbits. Point to remember. Most of the atom is actually empty space, with the mass being concentrated in the nucleus and the electrons orbiting in shells around it. Mass number and atomic number. Mass number is the sum of number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. Atomic number is the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. The atomic number and mass number are represented by writing them next to the symbol of the element. By convention, the mass number is usually written as a superscript and the atomic number as a subscript. Point to remember. The term nucleon number is an alternative to mass number and means the same thing. A nucleon is a collective name for protons and neutrons. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to this channel for more updates and learning skills.